Good morning, guys, and I hope everyone is doing fine on this last day of the week. So, since it's Friday, we are going to have our very own cookery class. Our main secret ingredient is cassava. Can you guess what we are going to do with the cassava? I'll give you a hint. It's ancestral food. It also starts with the letter F. We are going to make today farine. Have you ever tasted farine before? If you have, leave a comment below. So this week we talked about a lot of things with our ancestors. But did you know our ancestors were farming people? The most important crop was a potato-like root called cassava or manioc. The women ground this cassava to make farine. But we can't cook farine if we don't know how to pronounce cassava. Could you say cassava with me? Cassava. Cassava. Let me hear you. Great job, guys! So now that we could now pronounce the word cassava, I guess it's time for us to cook this cassava. Let's listen for your instructions. Things we will need to make our farine. Ask your mommy or daddy or guardian to collect 2 pounds of cassava grated finely with 2 tablespoons of salt. Let's begin. But wait, hold up and wait a minute. You all forgot to tell me one thing. First, we must wash our hands with soap. Then, clean down our cooking surface. Proceed to putting on your apron. And then we will listen to the rest of the instructions. First and foremost, cut the ends off with a sharp knife. Ask the parent to do this part. Next, with a small sharp knife, score around in spiral motion just to take off those brown, waxy, thick-like skins. Look at the picture above and you'll see those spirals. And the white part is called the flesh. And the brown part is the skin. Are you ready for your next step? Next, you're going to grate the flesh, which is the white part of the cassava. If you don't have a grater, cut up the cassava very finely and blend it. Place in cloth and squeeze out water. After this, rub between your hands to make fine crumbs. Then add salt, just a pinch. Now, this is just the tedious part of this cooking class. I know this is going to take very long, but it's a crucial step. Spread a cloth and place the cassava to dry in a hot sun area for at least 3 hours minimum. You can do your physical activity by then. Ding ding! I guess our cassava is ready. So patch over the fire, stirring continuously until golden brown. Ask your parent or guardian to assist you by the fire. Now, after all that hard labor, you have 2 options. First, you can store it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place at your house. Now, if you're like Auntie Michaela and you love to eat, simply take some spoonfuls of farine, add a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of powdered milk, and there you go. You are creating a nutritious snack. Farine could also be used as cereal or added to hot chocolate, or you could even make porridge. And always find me on Instagram at Brain Builders Tutoring. And please like, share and subscribe if you would love to have more videos. Bye!